Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to send the messages using GSM SIM 800L. So you can see it here. So this is SIM 800L. It is connected with the Arduino Nano and the battery. The battery is required because this SIM 800L requires power supply between 3.7 volt to 4.4 volt. So I have connected to the battery. This battery is of 3.7 volt, which will give the sufficient amount of current to this GSM module. This is Arduino. So D5 is connected with the TX pin of this, and D6 is connected with the RX pin of this module. So I have inserted the SIM card. So now you can see it here, light which blinks at every 3 seconds. It means this is having the proper network now. So whenever we use this particular module, the most of the time when we are sending the SMSs, then we find this type of information. So we will not get any messages here. So you can see it here. So messages are empty. It says empty messages. Now how to handle this particular situation? So for this I have written this particular code. You can see it here. So we are defining the software serial port and it is connected to the pin number 5 and 6. So I have started with serial begin and SIM 800L dot begin, which is used for software serial, then print the messages. So first we are converting into the SMS mode. For this AT plus CMGF equal to 1 command is used. Second, the problem is comes there. So normally when we write it, next line we write AT plus CMGS and the number on which we want to send the messages. This number includes the country code, and then we write the messages, and then we stop with character 26, which corresponds to the Control Z print. So this is the main. But whenever we write this particular code except this particular line, then most of the time this particular line, most of the time we are not getting the messages, and message comes empty, message format is not supported, everything comes. So you add this particular line AT plus MSP equal to 17,167,0,0/R. This will set this GSM module into the default values. Normally when we get this module is not working, we are going for the bigger one, SIM 800 module. So this is the code, and after message is sent, so we are giving the delay and loop is empty. So now I am compiling this and uploading it. So you can see it here. So as soon as I am going to upload this, so you will get one message on this. See, message has come reached, and this is the same message 800L is working what we want to display here. So by this way we can use this particular GSM model for all the works. Thank you.